So we start off today's video with this gorgeous pixie haircut. This one does feature the longer sideburn look on the side, as well as some nice choppy layers, giving it a fun, spiky texture throughout. Such a gorgeous hairstyle. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So next up we see someone with a grown out pixie. Oh, looks like they went brighter and got more of like a shaven mullet style. Very nice. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we move into another long too short. It looks like she does end up getting like a bob hairstyle for this one. Some bangs in the front to frame out the bob. And there is the final result. Very nice shoulder length bob style. And then we see someone with a pixie. Ooh, yes, beautiful platinum. Oh, this is breathtaking. Such a cute, trendy style. Next up, we have this red bob. Now this color is very bold, and the lines are very blunt. So then now that we get a pan out view, it looks like she does have a pixie bob here. And then we have another stunning pixie transformation. I like her natural curls. So here we have a goth Barbie inspired hairstyle. I like that this features so many beautiful colors mixed in. Of course, we got varying shades of hot pink, red. This is just such a fun hairstyle idea. And then we have our last hair transformation of today. And she ended up getting a pixie undercut. This one features the very popular asymmetrical shape. Nice and dramatic transformation. All right, you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these gorgeous hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.